Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TechSee. If you are a new one for my channel, please visit my channel. Then you can see important tips for you. Go to the laptop or desktop, start, then go to settings, then system, notification, action. Then you can see here some notification are enabled and some notification are disabled. Notification, these softwares are running background process. In this option, your PC capture your using pattern through background process. Then it affects your RAM and processors in your laptop or PC. It goes to slow your laptop or desktop. Let's go to next step. Network card set to metered connection. Go to start and settings. Then network and internet. Here you can see advanced option. Then here metered connection. In this metered connection, if you have limited data plan and want more control over data usage, make this connection to metered connection. Some apps might work differently to reduce your data usage when you are connecting to this network. In this option, think Windows application update it limited to this mode if you have enabled this mode. And storage, go to PC. Then you can see here temporary files here. It will take some time. You can see here temporary file 9.08 GB. I will delete it. Here in recycle bin 288 megabytes. I will delete it. I don't delete downloads because in download folder I have important things. In previous version Windows I will delete the data. Okay. It is go to settings, then system, power and sleep. Go to additional power settings. If you have desktop, you can use high performance because always your desktop plugin. If you have used laptop, I will recommend you use balance mode. So I will use my laptop in balance mode. This PC. Here system. Advanced system settings. Performance, fuel effect and processor scheduling and usage and virtual mode settings. If you get best performance in your laptop or PC, you can choose adjust to best performance. Then you apply my choice. Startup application disable. This means if you boot up your laptop or PC, there are some application working in background process. It is not important for you. When you disable that application, you can boot up your computer quickly. Go to your taskbar and Task Manager. So you can see a Task Manager. In Task Manager, go to Start. Then you can see there are some applications in here, because run when I boot my computer, but some are disabled. You can see here disable due to run. Was enabled screen record disable, because I no need to always use screen recorder. Once I use it to disable, because no need to boot up the application. So you can click here and enable or disable. That is the point. In next step, when you use the Google Chrome, the Chrome is classified as a multi-purpose browser. When you use multiple tabs and some extension, the processor gives more power for every tab and extension. So I recommend you please use 2 tabs when you use in Chrome browser. Today video is over. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos. Please give comments for this video. I will really appreciate it. Okay, bye bye.